Okay, so I'm on left and can hear this humming a mile away. I wonder now if that where one of these towers is going to go. You can't leave anything alone, can they? The noise is horrific. I'm sorry if this is hurting your ears. I'm very sorry. Oh, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to call it quits. That is horrific. I'm so sorry, but I wanted to show you beautiful Isle of Wight over there, and yeah. Anyway, they're just people visiting around here. It's a campsite here as well, so but it's just beautiful here. It used to be. Anyway, take care, guys. Need a miracle.